Hey guys, I just want to do a short review over how to solve quadratic equations by factoring. All right, so we have x squared plus 6x plus 8. So we're going to use the factoring x method, or the x factor method, however you want to call it. So we're going to draw an x. So what's going to be at the top is a times c. Remember this? And on the bottom will be your b value. So we're going to label our trinomial a, b, and c. So the first term, a, and then b, and then c. That's it. So at the top, we're dealing with multiplication. What two factors multiplied together will give me the top number? And on the bottom, which two factors added together will give me the bottom number? So a times c goes to the top. So again, there's an imaginary 1 in front of a variable with no number in front of it. So this is 1x squared. So the a value is 1. So I have 1 times c, which is 8. So 1 times 8 is 8. Use a different color. 1 times 8 is 8. So that is my top number. My b value goes at the bottom. So b is 6. That goes at the bottom. So now I want to find my factors of 8. So I'm going to write 8 to the side, and I'm going to write all my factors for 8. So 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. Those are my only two factors for 8. So at the top, we're looking for which two factors, which two numbers gives me, multiplied together will give me 8. So I know 1 times 8 does give me 8. And 2 times 4 does give me 8. So both of these are possible. But now I got to go to the bottom. What plus what out of these sets gives me 6? 1 plus 8 does not give me 6. So I can cross that out. 2 plus 4 does give me 6. So I know my factors will be 2 and 4. Now we got to use something called bottoms up method. So all we're doing is rewriting these as fractions with my a value at the bottom. So my a value is 1. So I'm writing 1 on the bottom of this. So now we're using bottoms up. So the bottom number is my x value, the number of x's that's going to be in your factors. So here I have 1x, because there's 1 here. So it's 1x plus 2. So x plus 2. And then on the other side, again, it's 1. So we'll have 1x plus 4. That's a positive 4. So that's why it's plus. These are positive numbers. Positive 2 and positive 4. So that's why it's plus 2 and plus 4. So now this is my factor for this trinomial. Now, if I want to solve for this, I'm going to set both of these sets as 0. So I have x plus 2. And set it to 0 and solve an equation like normal. So right here, this will be a one-step equation. So all I got to do is move the constant to the other side by using inverse operation. So the inverse of positive 2 is negative 2. So I have x is equal to negative 2. That's one of my solutions. One of my x's, one of my x-intercepts, or one of my roots will be negative 2. Remember, all those mean the same thing. Next, I have x plus 4. So x plus 4, set it to 0. And we're moving the constant to the other side by using inverse operation. So we're moving this positive 4 to the other side. It becomes negative 4. So I have x equal to negative 4. That is my other root, or 0, or x-intercept.